Hey, we're going to be working on feet for our Wolfman. Now this is a normal size foot that I use, but for the Wolfman I wanted it to be bigger, so you can see that it's a lot bigger. So this is my pattern that I cut out, and it is 7 inches by 3.5 by 2 1/4. So this will be our pattern for our feet. So I cut some of these out. So we'll glue these together for the feet. These here are going to be for the ankles, which will go on here. And these are 4 inches, 1 3/4 across, and 1.5 inches on this side. So we will glue these together, and like I say, those are going to get attached here. But we'll start by gluing 2 of these together so we'll be able to carve for the feet that we want to do for the Wolfman. So we'll start with that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So you want to cover the entire surface that you want to glue. Glue this on. And we'll let this sit all day, probably overnight. And then we'll be ready to start carving it. Got that part done. So we'll set this aside, let it set up. And for the ankles, we'll take these and glue these together. So we'll glue the other pieces together and let it dry, and then we'll come come back and work on it. Thanks for watching.